Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your specifications on a DELL Latitude 5420. To check the specifications, right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and now click on Performance tab here. You can go to the CPU, see the CPU. In my case it's the 11th generation Intel Core i5 1145G7. It has 4 cores, 8 logical processors. The base speed is 1.5, but I think that the turbo is 2.6 because it's marked here, but I don't really know whether it's turbo or just something else. It's really always different. Then cache and virtualization are also written here. In memory you can see the amount of memory, it's quite big here. Then the speed and the slots used and the form factors. So if you're planning on an upgrade, if the form factor says SODIMM, not rows of chips, then it's replaceable, and you can simply like if you want 64 instead of 32 gigabytes, then you should simply just get 2 sticks of 32 gigabytes at 200 megahertz, mega transfers per second. Now with the disk you can also see the capacity, the disk name and other stuff. The Wi-Fi also can be checked here, and the GPU, which in this case is the Intel Iris Xe graphics. You can see the driver version, driver date and other things. Then if you want some very detailed info, you can also find that in System Information. And you can see something here, but you can also see some other things in the components, for example, like sound device. Let's see that. Or the display, infrared, if it has one. It doesn't. Input, I need to select this subcategory. And you can see the keyboard, the pointing device, and yeah, that's basically all you need to know here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.